دكتور عوديش ماتو, general surgeon, consultant surgeon from Kurdistan of Iraq. I attend this workshop about the laser which we held in Cairo. It was very good and informative for me.
I'm Dr. Rajnikant. I'm a consultant general surgeon. I'm from Abu Dhabi. So I'm experienced general surgeon for the last 20 years. So I do all procedures, and I'm trained in laser fistula and laser PNS. So I just came to learn more about laser hemorrhoids. How the procedures are done and how the success rates and all, it was enumerated. Hopefully for the next day we'll learn more in this session.